KevG weather overview. We have some weather to talk about for Monday. I think it'll be the most significant weather day as far as disruption and overall threat level is concerned. We have a severe weather risk, a slight risk for the New York City 5 boroughs and points west in that area of yellow on the top left-hand corner. And further south, it's going to be more of a situation where it's actually the weather's going to be a lot more widespread, dangerous weather in the terms of severe weather potential in the areas in orange. And in this area, you could see damaging winds and a tornado threat tomorrow. For the New York City Metro, I think the bigger risk tomorrow is flash flooding. And depending on the timing, it really could be during the morning rush and the evening rush. And that's what I'm a little bit concerned about as far as just overall impact. The Weather Prediction Center has a general 1 to 2 inches of rain from their 7-day forecast period forecast. And this goes out to about August 12th. And I think a lot of this is going to fall tomorrow. Now, the first round of showers and storms is currently developing over Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Virginia. And it's slowly moving to the west and north. And I think that'll probably make inroads around here during the morning rush tomorrow. And for areas that see the heaviest rain, you can see ponding of water and flash flooding. And this will be the first shot at significant rain for tomorrow, and then we'll wait for later in the day. So here's the NAM model. It shows the rain moving through in the early morning hours, and then we get sort of a relative break before more showers and storms attempt to move through by the late afternoon and early evening. And some of these storms could be isolated severe, but I think the main threat is flash flooding. Areas to the south over extreme southern New Jersey, Maryland, the Baltimore and Washington, D.C. area, and Philly, that's where it could get dangerous. You could see tornadoes and you could see a significant wind threat with those particular storms. So, that's just something to keep an eye out for in terms of the overall scheme of things. And then once the upper low moves through on Tuesday, we're just dealing with leftover afternoon showers. The threat definitely dies down. And by Wednesday, we're all clear, but the winds start to pick up out of the northwest. It's going to be a bit unusual with winds gusting 20 to 30 miles an hour on Wednesday out of the northwest. It looks like almost like a fall weather map, but temperatures will still be in the 80s. And then by Thursday night and Friday, we'll get another round of storms. I don't think this will be as potent as what we could see for certain areas tomorrow. I think this will be relatively fast moving. And then for Friday, Saturday, it doesn't look bad, but by the late in the weekend, next weekend, we could be dealing with more showers and storms, as it's a very progressive kind of weather pattern. The heat and humidity don't really get a chance to build up for too long because these areas of frontal systems and the jet stream keep buckling through. And that's basically what we've been seeing all summer long. So that's just going to continue into August. And for tomorrow, we're looking at highs around 80 because there'll be a lot of cloud cover around during the beginning portion of the day with that first round of rain, and we may see a break or two of sun in the afternoon, but Tuesday's a much warmer day with more in the way of sunshine. And then Wednesday, high temperatures, basically around 85, and it'll be windy on that day with winds blowing out of the northwest at a pretty decent speed. And then Thursday's much of the same, high around 85. The winds relax a bit. We get early morning showers on Friday, and then it moves through, and we set ourselves up for a decent Friday and Saturday before we get out. Here's Saturday's temperatures, highs around 84, before we deal with another system by late in the weekend, and that'll probably move through fairly quickly. So the majority of our rain, I think, will come tomorrow. There could be areas of flash flooding around here, and west of the city, definitely more in the threat zone for severe weather, as has been the case all summer. And just keep an eye out for those storms. Hopefully they don't happen during the main portions of the rush hour, but it is a distinct possibility for tomorrow as you get 2 areas of rain to watch for on Monday.